We're doing two things today. We're going to unbox this Pixel Hobby from Oraloa, and I'm also going to show you how to work on a Pixel Hobby so you do it quickly, you don't have to use the tweezers, and I'll show you a completed one as well, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But first, let's unbox this and see what we have. So this was sent to me from Oraloa to share with you guys on my channel. First, we have some, oh my goodness. First, we have some little gifts. One of them is on the floor. We have a little fairy girl. Then we have, we have some artist trading cards. I think I might have this one, but if you haven't ordered from Oraloa, you might get artist trading cards. You can collect them all. And then we have a scratch ticket, which I will scratch in a minute. We have a little diamond painting tray, a 3D printed ukulele, guitar, who knows. Then we have a seahorse, their business card, 2 stickers. Those are really cute. 2 Oraloa tropical stickers. Lots of stuff. Wow, cute. Okay, we have some little resin. Are they resin? I don't know. Some little charms. These are really cute, actually. You could use these for some crafts. A little birdie. I think these are adorable. I don't know what I will use them for, but I'm sure I will find something for them. We have a shell, and it has a hole in it, so you could technically use it as a bead. And we have, we showed that. We have another sticker. I really like how they're stickers. And then we have a little resin plastic hula girl, one of the Oraloa logo girls. You can put a magnet on this and make this into a cover minder if you wanted. So let's move this stuff aside. Oh my goodness, so many cute little goodies. Thank you so much, Oraloa. And we'll scratch this. So let's find, we can use this to scratch it. If you get 3 tikis, you get something, you win something. Oh, I did not get 3 tikis. So I didn't get 3 tikis, so I didn't win anything. Sad, but I will try again next time. Move this aside, and then our Pixel Hobby comes to us in a big box. This is a very big Pixel Hobby. The previous one that I worked on was not this large. So let's just open up, remove this tape. Okay, so this is the image. Okay, this is huge. This thing is huge. And then we have, wow, okay, this doesn't look anything like the previous one. I think because the previous one I unboxed, which I'll link in the description box below, is a lot smaller. So we have our pattern. Okay. I believe this is empty. We have our plates. So then in here, holy, okay, this thing is gonna be huge. Look at, so these are the little pixels that you'll be putting down on your plastic canvases. This is where you can see the number or so this is kind of like diamond painting. This would be the color of, or the number color, or what you would call the DMC color in diamond painting. Wow, okay, so you get a lot of these. And then here are the plates. So let's take a look at these actually, because I've only done one Pixel Hobby, which you will see shortly. And it was only one plate. Like, it was a very small Pixel Hobby. So here are the little plates. They all have, if you can see this, they all have like a little arrow, kind of not engraved, but like etched into them. So they look all the same. Yeah, they're all the same. Okay. And then these must be the clips to clip them all together once you're done. So this Pixel Hobby is made out of 4 of the plates. Here is the schematics, or not, yeah, I guess the schematics. So the color number, how many of those little disc things you get of that color. I'm excited. This is going to be so cute and huge. Okay, and then here we go. Here's the pattern. So all you do, and you'll see it in the next clip, is you take your plate, you make sure that the arrow is facing the correct way, and then as you go along, you put down the pixel on top of the symbol, and you use the sheet as a guide. Holy. Okay, so this is gonna be huge. I'm excited. Before I close out this video, let's take a look at how I work on these kits, and we'll take a look at a finished one, and then we'll come back. The secret to being a successful pixie hobbyist is by also being a diamond painter. So I don't actually use these. I tried out these as well, and these left imprints on the drill, on the the pixels. I was gonna call them drills. These left imprints on the pixels, and like little dents and things like that. So I would stay away from these, and I was like, okay, well, I hate using these, so what are my other options? Then I pulled out a pink pen, and it had putty in it, and that was actually working really well for placing these pixels. But what I did do is I actually ended up putting glue dots in my pen. So if you have a diamond painting pen, it can just be one of these pens. You can have a fancier pen if you wanted, but a pink pen filled with glue dots definitely is helpful. And so what I do when I'm working on, I'm almost done this one. When I'm working on them is I take the little pixels and I look at the pixel color, and then there's about 70 pixels. So all I do is I pick off, I'm bad at math, so I don't know what 70 divided by 4 is, because they come in little squares of 4. So I literally just guess how many are going to be required, or how many equals 70. I know 6 times 10 is 60, so I know that I at least need to do 10 of these little squares of 4. And having sharper nails, or like nails in general, definitely helps. And I don't peel them off one at a time. I try and do two at a time, or however many I can. We're just going to pull off a little bit more, and I'm going to show you what I do. So obviously they're not going to line up like face down, or however you need them, face up, however you need them in the tray, because these trays aren't made for these pixels. So all I do is I take my pink pen filled with glue dots, and I just try and pick them up by the top or the top corner, and then I just pop them in with my pen, or I'll hit the opposite side of the top, and then it makes the top facing up, and then all I have to do is grab it with the pen and I put it down. And like diamond painting pens, who knew they would be so helpful for other crafts? Honestly, I didn't even think of this. I thought of this like 3/4 way through as I was working on it. I was like, there has to be a better way than having to grip them with those ugly plastic tweezers. So I honestly just do it this way, and you can see it goes a lot quicker than if you were using tweezers. Well, for the most part, it goes quicker. You have your completed pixel hobby image. This again is from Oraloa. This is this kit. I don't know what it's called, but I'll put the link in the description box below. And once you're done, here's your image. You just simply plop it onto your frame. This is the back side. I think the back side looks really cool, actually. But yeah, so you just snap it into the frame. You can see it's not moving. Then you can display this wherever you want in your house, and it's really cool. Isn't that pixel hobby kit so cute? I'm so glad I finished it. Do I like this more than diamond painting? I possibly enjoy it just as much as diamond painting. I wouldn't say that I prefer it more, only because I've only done that one pixel hobby kit, as you saw in the previous clip. But I really like working on these. I think it's a nice break from diamond painting, and I really like that you can use your diamond painting tools to do pixel hobby, and I really like doing pixel hobby with the diamond painting pen and the glue dots versus the tweezers. Let me know down below if you want to try out pixel hobby. If you do, actually, head on over to oraloa.com, which I'll put in the description box below, and they actually have a ton of these kits that are available for sale. If you do want to pick one up, please go ahead and use my code bevbe15 to save 15% off. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos whenever I feel like it. Majority of them are going to be about diamond painting, but in the near future, I could see myself doing some pixel hobby videos. So go ahead and click subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!